Hi guys, it's Thursday. Before I turn on the hairdryer and get myself ready, how many of you guys watch Survivor? I've been watching it for years. Love it. It's my all-time favorite reality show. Last night's episode was so controversial, so disturbing, so upsetting. So many things on so many different levels. I even got angry at how Jeff Probst handled the situation, that they allowed this to be shown to the world for ratings. And I haven't watched anybody's hold on, somebody's walking in. It's my mother. Anyway, I haven't watched anybody's opinion or anybody speak about it online, on YouTube, on Facebook. I haven't really even been looking for it, but I just remembered about it right now. For the guy doing what he did, outing somebody else, but also for the show's producer for allowing it to be put out there, whether or not with Zeke's approval. Extremely bad taste. I did not enjoy watching it. I felt like so bad for everybody concerned. You want to know what I really honestly thought? The guy that outed Zeke, I remember way back when, I can't remember what show it was, on national television, or like a reality type show. It could have been like Jerry Springer or something. I don't know. But anyway, somebody committed suicide over it. And I totally see something like that could potentially happen with somebody else. Because it took him a while, but we watched remorse roll over him. But nobody was forgiving to him. And they didn't even take a vote. They were going to vote somebody else out. And Jeff told him, I don't think we need a vote. Goodbye to him. Anyway, Mother came in again. And that's what disturbed me. I kept thinking about that. Of course, I felt horrible for Zeke. I felt horrible. Everybody around there felt horrible. And just how they felt, I felt it. And I'm sure y'all, whoever's watching that show, also felt it. It just was completely bad taste all the way around. And I believe the show could have completely cut that out. And instead of exposing everybody to that type of thing. That was horrible. I know my channel just itty bitty, but Jeff Probst, Survivor, if you guys even get an inkling of my video, you guys totally bad taste all the way around. Bad. Okay, Walmart vlog, you guys. I'm in Walmart going to the cosmetics. That color's pretty right there. I'm such a makeup holic, you guys. I need no cosmetics. Oh, eyelashes. Those are pretty. Ooh, these are gorgeous. Okay, you guys, I'm just kind of scanning through. I'm actually here to get some stuff for... I picked up my son's medication. And I want to look through the... Oh, how cute. I gotta stay away from the kitchen stuff. Look how darn cute. Oh, it's Pioneer Woman stuff. Oh. They have them in all colors. These are so cute. Anyway, I want to look through the... You know, I can really get sidetracked in here, you guys, really quickly. Look at how cute. This is giant. And I'm coming over here. This is nice. I don't even know what, can't even stay focused on what I wanted to say. Clearance aisle. Clearance aisle. That's what I'm looking for. Here's all. I need to stay clear of the kitchen stuff. I took a hard right, you guys. Let me turn the camera around. I took a hard right. I'm gonna bypass everything. This is not a shop with me, it's just a come with me to the store because I'm vlogging today. And I do need to just go to the grocery store, part of it, and go get the stuff for the potato salad. And one of my sons despises mayonnaise, so I need to get the things for his. I always make 2 separate potato salads. I need to get stuff for that. We're doing like an Easter dinner, potluck style, or Easter early dinner. Okay, I gotta find Mom. I'm gonna pick out a bag of potatoes for the potato salad. Put my glasses on. You know what, you guys, my mouth is literally watering just thinking about the potato salad I'm going to make. I'm super excited for potato salad. It always reminds me of summer. Okay, I want the large. I want large olives. Okay, look at the marshmallows they have here, you guys. These are caramel, vanilla, swirl. Yum. Marshmallows already are delicious, though. These chocolate stripes, but and they have these s'more shape. And I think those are the ones I want to get. I want the s'more shape. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Okay. Oops. That box of Bonds. I'm waiting for Mom. We just got out of Kaiser for her BP checkup. Look at the flowers, you guys. Look at the flowers. Bonds is notorious for their flowers. I don't know why I didn't go in. I'm taking care of text messages and checking my emails right now, sitting out here waiting for her, but I love it.
Good morning. Push it, keep it pushed in. So you see the water.
Hi guys. I'm having a bit of a hot flash, so excuse the red cheeks. Happy Friday, happy Holy Friday. Anyway, I wanted to pop in here and just wish you all a happy weekend, safe holiday, a safe and happy Easter holiday, and let you know that I'm experiencing a bit of a hiccup with YouTube right now, so until everything gets ironed out, I'm not gonna update, I'm not gonna upload any videos until it gets ironed out, and according to them it should be about 3 days. So
I did it.
just wanted to update you guys. Awesome, Miha. Just wanted to update you guys. Okay, happy Easter.
The chopped things here, but you gotta wash these too.
Well, I'm gonna clean the beans first, right?
Okay.
So we can get those soaking in the
Yeah.
slow cooker.